If you're seeing Epic Games error code 1, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and simple way to fix it so you can get back into the Epic Games launcher and start playing again. This issue is usually caused by a connection problem, a VPN conflict, or a corrupted launcher cache. And the good news is that you can often solve it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy gaming fixes. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is restart the Epic Games launcher completely. Close it from the taskbar and make sure it is not still running in the background. On Windows, you can open Task Manager and check for any Epic Games processes, then end them if needed. A full restart can clear temporary glitches that trigger error code 1. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected properly and that your network is stable. If your connection is weak or dropping in and out, Epic Games may fail to communicate with its servers and show this error. If possible, try reconnecting your Wi-Fi or switching to a different network to test whether the issue goes away. After that, disable any VPN you may be using. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Epic Games authentication or block the launcher from reaching the right servers. If you have a VPN running, turn it off completely, then reopen the Epic Games launcher and see if the error is gone. In many cases, this alone can resolve the problem. If you still see the error, the next step is to clear the launcher cache. Over time, cached files can become corrupted and stop Epic Games from loading correctly. To do this, close the launcher first, then open the app data folder on your PC and look for the Epic Games launcher cache files. Remove the cache data, then restart the launcher so it can rebuild fresh files. This is one of the most effective fixes for error code 1. Once you've done that, launch Epic Games again and sign in. In most cases, the launcher should now open normally without the error message. If it still appears, repeat the steps one more time carefully, especially the cache clear and VPN check, because those are the most common causes. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix Epic Games error code 1 by restarting the launcher, checking your connection, disabling VPN, and clearing the cache. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more gaming tutorials, and comment below if you want help with any other Epic Games errors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.